Okay, today we're going to remove the power window switch on the driver's side door from a 2005 Yukon Denali. The problem is I have no power to any of these or any of these. So I've checked all the fuses, they're all good. I've checked power to from here, the connector, and there's power that's going up to here. So I'm pretty sure this is bad. So I'm going to buy a new one. I'm going to replace it. I don't have a new one yet. So anyway, to take it off, one thing I've seen a lot of videos saying you can just pull this off, but there's a screw up here, so you have to take the door off. So to take the door, I used this to pry a couple clips off, a 7mm socket, 20 T Torx, and maybe a Phillips screwdriver if you can't get at it easy with the 7mm wrench. But it's pretty easy to take off with the tools. And go over to the door and we'll pop out the thing. So this is one of those T things, you just pop it out and pull it out. And I've had it out already, so it's a little bit easier for me. So that just comes out. This button needs to be popped off, so you just pop that off, and again I had it out, so this just pops off the screw, and that's where you need the Torx right there, and that just comes out. So I've already done it, so kind of funky, it doesn't want to come out now, but I might need the Torx again on it. So I just hit it, Torx. Get it out. Anyway, can't spin it because of that button cover. A little bit harder with one hand. There you go, that's out. And then you have to pop this thing off for that just pops off real easy. It was already off, but that's all there is to it. It just comes out. There's a screw there. I don't think that needs to come out. Where'd it go? There it is, right there. But I took it out. And then this needs to come off. So this just comes out real easy. Just pops off. There's some pressure clips there. It just comes out. It's like that. So you just take it off. There, just two little clips there, and then slides on right there. So that's it for that. And then let's see. Oh, you got to take this off right here. So that just is held on by two clips. So you just pop that off. Pretty much just use your fingers, don't really even a tool. And where's the other one? It's right there. Pop, and then it's this. See, it has that thing. You slide it up and out. You see the two clips. One, two. Just undo those. You stick in there, and then now the door is ready to lift up. So you just lift up on the door. I'll take this screw out too. I'm not sure. Oh, there's a couple screws that you have to take out too. So I think this is one of them. I'm not 100% sure if that one needs to come out. That's one of them. And then there's one right here, 7mm. I already took it out. And let's see, that one, that one, that one, that thing, and that is it. So now I'll lift the door, and it just comes right off that easy. And then you have all your connectors, and the screw for this is right there. It's not there, but you probably see the screw hole. I've already taken it out, but there's a screw right there. So once that is out, I can't do it with the camera. So, and then you just pop this out like so. It pops up now. And just kind of wiggle connectors. And the connectors all come out really easy. This one was a little bit funky. With the gray cap, it's hard to hold the camera and do this. But there's a little button right there that you push, and then this thing comes down here. I'll put the camera down for just a second. Okay, I pushed that little button down, it's right there, and then you can see it just comes out like that. Real easy, and these all just kind of come out. There's a little clip there. So with this one, there's a little clip right there. Try to do it with the camera in your hand, but you get the idea. There's just little clips on each one. They'll come out real easy. That one's a little stubborn. But it's the same thing. I'll put the camera. And then same with this black one right here. It's a little clip. I gotta put the camera down. There it is. There's the switch. And you gotta know if you have power pedal movers. I've never used it, but apparently I do. And then the heated seats and the memory. They ask you those questions when you get a new one, but it's the 8-button switch. So, and there's the spot where the screw goes right there. So you have to take the door off. The door thing off. So then there's one more thing. There's this little thing here, this little light here, that just comes out, little clip on it, and that's how you take that off. And now, so there's the door. There's the door. My window is stuck right here. I can't move it. Right here, I can't move it. And so I need to go order a new part now. And they're about 160. Get some used ones on eBay for 100. Go up to as high as 180 I've seen. And to take it out of here, it's just these little clips right here. It's really simple. These little clips. So I took it apart too and cleaned some connectors, but that didn't help. Clean these posts right here. It seems like it's not getting any power, so I'm sure that's where the power goes in. That didn't help. And so I'll complete the video on how to put it back together, but it looks like it'll be really simple to put it back together. Getting that screw out was the tricky part. You had to take the door off to do it. So anyway, hope this helped. Make sure you tuck this away so you don't slam it in the door like I did and broke the bulb. So I have to go buy a new bulb for that too. And there you go. Hope this helped, and we'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I went and bought a new window switch module, and that was not the problem. So I was very disappointed. I didn't know what it was. So I kept looked for more fuses that would be related, and I found this one, the DDM driver door module. And I pulled it out and replaced it, and sure enough, it was bad. So I put in a new fuse, and it's located here, back in that corner there. Third one down from the bottom, in the bottom back left. You have to look at your thing. It's right here in the picture, right there, that one. And so here, we'll turn on the car, and voila, there's lights on again, and the window that didn't work now works. Now back to normal. So there's the compressor going on. So I'm going to put it back together now. I'm going to take that off, and I'll put the door back on. I'll try to record as much as I can with one hand, but it should go back pretty straightforward. So I'll be back. Okay, to put this on, you just have to line up these hangers, basically, down there with the holes on the vehicle. Then you just hang it up there and then put the screws back in and pull the wires through. So I'm going to do that. I can't hold the phone and do it, so So before you put the door back on, you have to hook up that light down there. It just pushes in and clips on for the door light. And then you have to put this screw back in, right here. This screw. Here's my camera, right there. That screw that goes in that hole to hold the module back on. So the module has to go on first. And you have to hook up all the wires before you put the door back on. So here we go. I'm going to stick it back in there and hook the wires up, and then I'll get back to putting the door on. So when you see it again, this should all be, put the screw in there, hook the wires up, and mount it back on there. So next time you see it, it should be all hooked up, and I'm videoing upside down. So we'll see if we can fix that. So anyway, okay, the door is back on. Got the module in there. And now I just have to put the tree back in. The screws right there, right there. That one did have to come out. That screw right there. The screw here. And that's it. And then put the bits back on, that piece back on. So let's see. Let's see if that fits in there. Yeah, that goes in there. I think the long one went in here. I believe that was the long one. And then the short one went in here, I believe. And the Torx one went in here. The other one, took this off, which did not need to come out. This goes back in there, like that. And then that screw goes right there, and it didn't need to come out. We'll just tighten all those up. I'll be back. There you go. It's all back together.
Well, that side piece isn't.
What piece? Oh yeah. Some major flaw in the job. So the side piece needs to go on yet. But there's the window working again. Yeehaw. Locks. Mirror. Ooh. Compressor. Ooh. Just freaked out. There they go. Boom. And then this piece. The last, but not least. Here we go. Done. Voila. Hey, sorry for the poor quality video and audio, but this is my first YouTube video. I thought it would be good to get it out there. I spent about 8 hours troubleshooting and researching this problem, and I thought it would help others. So I hope you could use the information, and if you like it, click like, and if you have any comments, please add the comments. Thanks, and I'll get a better camera or a tripod and have some better video next time. Thank you. Bye.